Hello and welcome to our video on how to charge your IntelliShade rechargeable battery-powered shade system. This is a rechargeable battery-powered roll shade system here. I currently have the shade system down. It's typically easier to do this when the shade is up, or at least partially up. So I'm going to run this partially up, not fully or all the way. But what I want to do is I want to get it close enough to the top so that I'm not touching the fabric unnecessarily, or I'm not fighting with the fabric to get to the recharging cord that I can find up here at the top. So I'm just going to run it up so that the bottom of the shade sits down just a little bit so I can reach behind it if I need to. The recharging cord can be found on the upper left-hand side or the upper right-hand side. It's typically going to be the side that is closest to an outlet. So we're going to put it on the side that's closest to an outlet so that when you use your charger, you'll be able to get this to the outlet without having to use an extension cord, something of that nature. This charging cord is quite long, so typically you don't have any issue getting to, I don't remember the exact length of this, but you're probably looking at 10 feet, give or take. So, this will reach quite a ways. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to get the rubber band off of this, so I have the entire length of the cord to use. I'm going to find the recharge cord at the shade system. I'm going to do that by looking up here in the corner behind the shade roll. I see it sitting here. I'm going to pull it down, just get my finger up in here, and I can just pull it down so that I can get to it. And I'm just going to pull it out. So now we have our recharging cord port up at the shade. I'm going to plug in the charger at the nearest outlet. Okay, got one right down here. Okay, and then I'm going to extend my cord. I apologize, it's not that long. Looks like it's about 8 feet, give or take. Okay, so I'm going to take my cord here. I'm going to plug it into my charging port here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do to make sure that this is connected and working properly is I'm going to look at the charger itself, and I'll notice that the LED on the charger itself is red. And that's telling me that it is now currently charging the shade system. Once that light turns, that LED turns from red to green, which will usually take a couple hours, it's letting you know that it's fully charged, and you can go ahead and unplug it. And at that point in time, all you do is just go ahead and unplug it here. Unplug it, obviously, from the wall, stow it away where you have it so you can find it the next time. And then just shove your charging port or cord back up here where it was, so that it's hidden and you don't see it sticking out. And then just go back to putting your shade down or up or whatever you wanted to do in terms of the position that you wanted it in at that time. So very simple and easy to do. And again, this is going to be required every 6 months, give or take, with our standard systems. About once a year with our platinum systems, give or take. And like I said, it's a couple hours of charge per system. So hopefully this was helpful to you, and you can handle this on your own. Good luck. If there's anything else you need, let us know. Thank you.